How to change your door lock spring bolt direction with Not Your Average Donovan. Step number 1. Unscrew the cover plate screw. It normally needs a Phillips or star screwdriver, like this. Once you have the screw loose, and remove. Step number 2. Lift the cover plate and remove the cover plate from the body. You can use a slotted or flat screwdriver to remove the cover plate. Be careful once removing the cover plate to not dislodge or accidentally displace spring-loaded levers. Once the cover plate is removed, make sure to hold a finger on the levers to keep them down. Step number 3. Remove the follower from the lock. Step number 4. Remove the spring in the spring bolt. Spring removed successfully. And spring bolt removed successfully. Moving on to step number 5. Insert the follower in the spindle hole, like this, and make sure to place the follower hook on the side of the case. It is a little plastic hook on the follower end. And then step number 6. Flip the spring bolt around to the desired direction you want. And then reinstall the spring like this. Both the spring and spring bolt are placed back successfully. Step number 7. Refit the cover plate back and tighten with the previously unscrewed screw. Be careful not to over-tighten the screw, just enough to have it closed. Refitting the cover plate now. The cover plate has been refitted and will now have to be fastened with a screwdriver. Lay the lock down on a flat surface or a balance table for an easier grip when tightening the screw. And there you have it, spring bolt successfully changed. Thank you for watching Not Your Average Donovan. If you liked this video, and would like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up and smash the subscribe button for notifications whenever I upload a new video. Or check out my other videos on my YouTube channel.